F450 in here. We're working on the move bumper, as you can see. Everything has to be a little bit modified. And we just put a plate to support the weight and to be able to jack this up flat and get into place and weld in between those two lines. So other than that, everything is pretty much set up, ready to go. Besides, I have to cut a little bit off of the end of this so I can straighten these out. Alright guys, just tacked everything together. As you can see, we have to do some adjustments. We're gonna have to grind that up so that we can pull the seam together down here. Obviously we're gonna have to take that off the top from about here up, but you can see the gap is a little weird in some areas, just the way this truck is built. Definitely looks good though. So what we're doing is we're doing 4 flush mount LED fog lights, which 2 will be mounted on each side. And then, like I said, we'll do a light bar in the middle. How I have this set up, obviously we're gonna have to cut out holes behind this so that there's room for the light to slide in all the way. And then we will have bolts that go through there on each side. We would cap this obviously and then finish that off and just make it look, you know, nice and uniform. I think it looks really crazy, like in a good way. I really like the way this is coming out. sockets cut out so that you can access the back of the fog lights. Also so that the fog lights sit in correctly. Now you can see I had to do a little modifying to get these to fit right, obviously, but looking really good. We're gonna take these. I just tacked them up so they were all ready to go and just get tacked on. So the next thing we're gonna do is put these on, center them the way we had them. Obviously we left the tacks for the references, and then weld everything together. You can see we got everything cut out and then made sure the fog lights fit within the opening and everything. It was trimmed. Now we just welded the top. It's looking really good. I sort of see the side profile as you get over to the side. I think it looks really cool. Came out cool.